Welcome to a special episode of Parenting Reimagined, a show that deals with difficulties parents face while bringing up their children. This channel discusses problems that parents face and deal with by offering effective solutions to these problems. In today's episode, we will look at the problem of child tantrums and how to deal with them. Have you ever faced a situation where your child demanded something at the shop you visited and you were embarrassed because of your child's behavior? Has your child ever started to scream in public because of some reason or the other? Or has your child ever run away from the situation or held their breath till their faces turned red? If yes, then you are at the right place. This video will educate you to understand why children behave the way they do and how to deal with these common yet solvable problems.
Tantrums are quite common in children between the ages of 1 to 3. These could be divided into two categories: emotional meltdowns and non-emotional tantrums. Tantrums may happen because during this age, children are still at the young stage of social, emotional, and language development. Tantrums in toddlers are not necessarily about trying to get attention, control, or stage manage the parents. Since young toddlers are not skilled at reasoning or manipulation, they are prone to having an episode when they are upset. Also, the inability to communicate adds to the aggravation. Sometimes, the children develop a pattern due to conditioning, that is, when parents in the past have given in to their demands. The child learns to associate throwing fits and tantrums with getting attention and their demands fulfilled. So these then become a habit as a result of associated learning. However, toddler tantrums are natural child behavior, which results from unmet needs or desires, resulting from multiple factors: separation from parents, limited ability to express, need for attention, association with rewards, etc. Children can also have tantrums for other reasons as well, like hunger, fatigue, or if they are uncomfortable within their surroundings. For example, if an older child takes the younger one's toy, the child can throw a tantrum. We need to identify the reason why the child can throw tantrums and try to solve the problem head-on. Although there isn't any foolproof way you can manage a child's tantrum 100%, however, you can encourage good behavior in your child, which will overall help in your child's development and minimize the chances of your child throwing tantrums. There are majorly 7 main points to look at to deal with this. 1. Use distraction or offer alternatives. By offering alternatives, it takes the child's mind off from the tantrum. Asking simple questions to reason out distracts the child and activates his or her thinking process. 2. Reasoning may not help. Try to offer comfort by making the child realize that you are working upon their problem. Assure them that you have their undivided attention. The reason this is important is because parents may be preoccupied with something else. You need to realize that at this time, nothing is more important than your child. 3. Re-establish emotional balance. Praise them for their positive behavior if they act rationally. If they don't, let them know assertively that their behavior is irrational or unacceptable. Also, if the tantrum is completely out of hand, try to talk to your child to come to a common ground where the behavior is acceptable to both. Do not show your temper at this stage, but gently talk to the child that may lead to the child getting distracted from its tantrum. Slowly and steadily, you would see an alarming change in your child's behavior. 4. Keep calm. Be affirmative, but do not give in. Parents need to always keep their cool, as it is easy for parents to lose their temper and the situation can get worse. Parents should help in developing new skills or try new activities with their child that would divert their attention. Being firm asserts that the child does not develop a habit that a persistent tantrum will allow the parents to cave in and give in to the demands of the child. 5. Enhance vocabulary and language skills for child to express themselves. Try to inculcate words in daily activities like happy, sad, hungry, sleepy, pain, etc. Mostly easy words that your child can relate to when your child feels these emotions. 6. Punishment and timeout should be the last option. Assume if you are in pain or discomfort, and if you loved ones either isolate you or walk away, how would you feel? Punishment or timeout may add to the pain and emotional well-being of the child. Temper tantrums is usually to get a demand fulfilled. If not dealt with, it could intensify into a hormonal storm, and a young child is not prepared to manage with such intense emotions. 7. Prevent is always better than cure. Many physical factors are responsible for triggering these tantrums, like hunger, sleep, being bored, anxiety. Parents must preempt such issues. If it's a tantrum for a nap or snack, make sure that it is provided aptly. There may be some occasions where you might feel that the child may end up hurting itself. Ensure that the child is taken to a safe environment first and then calm the child down. It is easier to anticipate a child's rational thinking than to counter the tantrum once it starts. Just to sum it all up, who said parenting was easy? Well, it's how you make it to be. The key to most problems is get to understand the child and its behavior. Understand the discomfort for your child. Offer him comfort through talking. A calm tone will soothe the child's nerve and distract it from the issue. Be patient with your kids. Kids duplicate our behavior. Acting happy with them, in spite of your difficulties, give them a role model to follow. Quantity over quality helps. Children need more time in their developing years. Being present assures them that they do not expect them to behave like adults, they are only kids. Not only listen to child's words but understand his body language. Go the extra mile, despite your challenges, as once the foundation is laid, the works get easier. Having said that, parenting is a lifelong commitment and job.
If you liked the video, please ensure to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel for smart parenting tips. Till our next video, stay safe and happy parenting.